This is going to be a very short video. We are going to help you know how to earn money from Google and use those money to purchase apps from Google Play Store. You should have been using Android for so many years and purchasing your favorite apps with your credit or debit card. With this app, you can easily earn money by just participating in survey. Introducing Google Opinion Rewards. This app is released in 23rd May 2017 and have been using this app after 6 months of its launch. This app randomly sends you the survey. I used to get minimum of 4 survey in a month to the maximum of 8, and each survey credits you the minimum of 3 rupees and the maximum of 32 rupees. In the last 25 months since I have started using this app, I have participated over 145 surveys and earned 1264 rupees. And I've been using this money to purchase my favorite apps. The link of this app is given in the description below. Just click it and install it. Immediately you will be getting the first survey. Once you participate in your survey, you will be getting your first credit. Once the amount is credited to your Google account, do like the video and subscribe our Appology Tech YouTube channel. Also share this video to your friends to help them purchase their favorite apps. To know more about our channel, just click any of these videos. You are watching Appology Tech.